Esther chapter 4. When Mordecai find out all of what happened, him tear the clothes where him have on, put on some old clothes we make out of one cloth, we rough and cover himself in the ashes, for sure say him heart heavy. Then him walk through the city a holler and a bawl. Mordecai walked till him reach the king palace. But him couldn't go in through the king gate, cause them never make nobody go in at the palace we dress so. In all of the region them where the king orders and him law reach, the Jew them put on a piece of ball in a morning. How them heart did well heavy. Them go on one piece of fasting and a holler and a ball. And enough of them just put on some clothes we make out a caucus bag and lay down in the ashes. Now the young woman them and the eunuch them where did work for Queen Esther come tell her what Mordecai did a do. She start fret and worry about it, and she send clothes go give him, but him never take them. So Esther send for attack one of the king eunuch them where the king did make turn one of her servant. She sent him to Mordecai to find out what happened to him and what make him a go on so. So attack go to Mordecai out in the middle of the city square in front of the palace gate. Mordecai tell attack the whole story and tell him about the whole heap of money Haman say him will put in the king treasure room for kill off the Jew them. Mordecai give attack one copy of the law we make in a Susa. The law did give people the right to kill off the Jew them. Him ask attack for show it to Esther and tell her about what did go on, and that she fi go to the king and beg him to take pity upon her people them. So attack go away, go tell Esther what Mordecai say. Esther talk to attack, then give him one message for Mordecai we say. All of the king's servant them and the people in the region them know say if you go in at the palace courtyard where they in front of the throne room and the king never send call you, you are go dead. Unless the king stretch out him gold rod. And a 30 days now since the king send call me. So, them tell Mordecai what Esther say. Then Mordecai send back message give Esther say. Nobody thinks say cause you in at the palace you now go dead like all of the other Jew them you know. Nobody thinks say if you keep your mouth shut about what go on, say help now go come from somewhere else to save the Jew them and set them free. But you and your father family are go get killed off. And who fi tell if I no call them sitting here did I go up make you turn queen? So Esther send back message to Mordecai say, go and go get all of the Jew them with their Susa and unu go pan fast for me. No eat or drink nothing for 3 days and 3 nights. Me and me helper them a go do the same thing. And then me a go to the king. Even though I broke me, I go broke the law. And if me done for, me done for. Then Mordecai go away and do all of what Esther order him to do.